In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Google Business Profile, also known as Google My Business. This guide is perfect for those of you who are running into verification issues in 2025. Verifying your business on Google ensures that your listing appears when people search for your type of establishment, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to sign in to Google Business Profile Manager. This is the go-to platform for managing how your business appears on Google Search and Maps. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for today, we'll assume you're already set up and just needing that final verification step. Once you're signed in, the next step is to select your business. If you manage multiple businesses, you'll see them here. Just click on the one you're looking to verify. By selecting your business, you bring up options to manage all aspects of your profile, so it's important to make sure you've clicked the right one. Now, it's time to start building your business profile. This involves inputting key details about your establishment, such as your business hours, contact information, and website URL, if you haven't done so already. This is a great opportunity to make sure everything is accurate and up to date before you proceed further. After you've reviewed and, if necessary, updated those details, click on Next. This button is your gateway to the verification process, so give it a go once you're confident your information is correct. With that done, you'll be prompted with a series of questions that are important for ensuring your business information is as robust as possible. Take your time answering each one. This detail helps enhance your online presence, and Google uses it to ensure your business meets their guidelines. On to the verification itself. In the verification section, you'll see several methods to verify your business. This is crucial because Google needs to ensure that the business is legitimate and accurately represented. Among the verification methods, you can opt for either phone code verification or business video. Phone code is typically a quicker option, as you can choose to receive the code via text message or a phone call. Business video might take a bit longer, but can be useful if there are issues with phone reception. Once you've chosen your preferred method and received your verification code, simply enter it in the space provided. Entering this code confirms your business to Google and lets them know you're ready to go live on their platforms. After you've entered the code, Google's verification review kicks off. It might take up to 5 days for the completion of this process. While you're waiting, it's a good time to start thinking about how to leverage your newly verified status for marketing and outreach. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process to verify your Google business profile. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation, and in the meantime, prepare for the influx of customers who can now easily find you. Thanks for watching, and happy verifying.